If you want to start using Beehiiv, you should click on the link in the description to get a 30-day free trial and 20% off. To add social media, go to Profile, click your name, and then under your profile, you will see AMT social media where you can input your URL, link. In this case, I'm going to paste my Facebook link in Beehiiv. First of all, search Facebook, then go to your profile, then copy the link and paste it to Facebook URL in Beehiiv to connect to your Facebook and save it. And that's how you add social media link to Beehiiv. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.